So, bird dog, you'll be in this position here. It'll be opposites. So it'll be left hand, right leg, and you'll drive that heel back and that arm forwards. You're going to hold for 30 seconds. You're going to keep that arm straight. And what you want to make sure as well with your leg, I'll show you here, it's locked out straight. So from the front, you'll be here, 30 seconds, nice and controlled, core engaged. So from the side, you'll be here, there, core engaged, 30 seconds, then swap sides.